Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making some nice curry puffs. And now listen, times are hard, inflation's high, cost of living's high, real wages are down, and all jokes aside, I know a lot of people are actually doing it tough out there. So I'm going to show you how to make a version of curry puffs for those on a budget. So these still come out absolutely delicious, but we're just going to be using a cheaper form of protein, as you probably already guessed by the title. And let's get on with it. Doesn't mean you can't come out with a really good end result. So first of all, I'm just going to do my curry filling. I've just got some oil heating there. I've got a couple of teaspoons each of mustard seeds and some fenugreek seeds. In they go. And just a small handful of curry leaves. And that's just going into about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. So we'll just get them a bit of a fry up. Wait till those seeds start popping. Right, next I'm going to add one chopped onion. Just give that another minute or two. Alrighty, it's about 2 minutes later. I'm now going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. Now I'm using my old faithful Jaffna curry powder. It's quite spicy, but any curry powder you can get a hold of will do. So I'll just sprinkle that in, along with about 4 cloves of garlic that I've grated. I've got a big knob of ginger that I've grated. I'm just going to add a little splash of water. We're just going to let that continue to cook for a couple of minutes. Alright, moving right along here, literally only a minute later. I've got about 3 potatoes that I cooked earlier. I've left the skin and everything on them. They're only sort of medium-sized potatoes. And I've just roughly chopped them and throw them in. Alrighty, now like I said, I'm going to introduce my budget ingredient now. I've got 2 tins of this Spam, and I'm using, don't know if you can read that there, the classic under the end there. No need for fancy flavours or anything like that, because we're doing that. We're giving it the fancy flavours, far more fancy than what you'll get in the tin. So yeah, 2 tins of that. That's a 340 gram tin. So we're doing whatever, 680 grams of Spam. And all I'm going to do is get that out of the can and roughly chop it up, cube it up. Alrighty, I've diced up my Spam now. I'm going to get that into that mix. just let that fry off for another 5 minutes or so. Now I'm just going to add like a good cup of water. And I'm just going to let that simmer away now until that water has actually evaporated. Alright, shouldn't be too long, maybe 5 minutes or so. Alrighty guys, so most of that liquid's evaporated. I'm going to turn the heat off now, and I'm just going to let that filling cool before we assemble our puffs. Alrighty guys, so my mixture over here is totally cooled down. Now I've got some sheets of puff pastry here that I've just been defrosting. Take the paper off it. So I'm going to cut these into 4, each sheet into 4. And just get a bit of an idea. I'm just doing basic triangles, so just get a bit of a rough idea where the halfway mark is. Get some of my potato and spam, beautiful curry mix onto that. Now I've also got a little bit of an egg wash here, just gonna slip it up the sides. Alright, I'm going to fold that over. All I do is basically just fold up the 3 corners. Like that. Fold up the edge a bit. Like that. And like that. And then I just get a fork and just crimp it in a bit with the fork. Like so. Get a little bit more of my egg wash. And I'll get that onto my baking tray that I'll put some baking paper on. And repeat, repeat, repeat. I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so I've just got my oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put them in there for around 25 minutes or so. We'll see how we go. Just till the pastry's nice and golden brown anyway. The filling's cooked. Yeah, it's getting a little bit dark. Day's got away on me. But yeah, I want to get these cooked. Alrighty guys, so I've taken my curry puffs out of the oven there, as you saw. My Spud and Spam curry puffs, as I'm calling them. They look beautiful, they smell beautiful. Still nice and warm actually. Nice and golden, and as you'd expect. I'm going to try one. I hope it's not too hot. I'll just take a bite into it and see how we go. Yummo, really yummy. You wouldn't think you're eating like a tin of Spam. Believe me, it's as you'd expect, those beautiful curry flavours. It's really yummy. I might take a bigger bite, see if I can show you a bit more of the filling. It's just really nice, and I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't add any salt to that curry, only the spices, and that's because there's quite a bit of salt in that Spam. It's not overwhelming, but you wouldn't want to add any more. It's just right. Well, I'm really happy with that. That was a bit of an experiment. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everyone who has subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it, as always. I always say it, and I always mean it. Thanks so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, can I just ask you to hit that subscription button? That'd be great. Look, if you don't want to, no problem. I understand some people don't like doing that sort of thing. And if that's you, thanks for watching the video anyway. Really appreciate you watching it this far, and I will see you all next time.